Anyone thinking these scenes are in China could be forgiven. It's actually a COVID-19 vaccine center for Chinese nationals living and working in Sri Lanka. They were the first to receive vaccines from the 600,000 doses donated to the South Asian island by Beijing.
We started to give only for the Chinese citizens who are living here, working and living here, in the families and those who are working in Sri Lanka.
After I put the vaccine, I feel very normal. I don't have any hard feelings. So for now, I feel good.
But these reactions are not enough for Sri Lanka's regulator, the National Medicines Regulatory Authority, to clear the use of Sinopharm on locals. It's demanding more data before making a decision.
We have to go with the scientific evidence and then only give the approval for anything, like whether it's a diagnostic method or drug or vaccine. So it is same for the Sinopharm also. If good data is available regarding the efficacy and the safety, then there's no problem. We will approve that. But without those data, definitely we cannot approve, because we can't risk of giving something to our people of which we are not sure of.
The delay is causing displeasure within the government. Both President Gotabaya and his brother Mahinda Rajapaksa have worked closely with China in recent years. The president received the shipment of vaccines from the Chinese ambassador in Colombo when it arrived last week.
In the fight against the pandemic, our two countries and two peoples have been always standing firmly together and extending a helping hand to each other.
We faced many difficulties during last 2 to 3 weeks to bring this to Sri Lanka due to certain unexpected influences from various parties. However, we overcome all these influences and ultimately make it a success.
Not quite. As the regulatory authority refused to be pushed to grant approval, the government removed 7 of its 13 board members, describing it as a move to reform the body. But a senior doctor claimed their removal was connected to the Sinopharm vaccine.
At a time when COVID vaccines around the world are coming under scrutiny, regulators here say they cannot approve the Sinopharm dose until they study all necessary data. They say the sooner they receive this, the sooner they can make a decision. Minelle Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.